Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, you're going to unlock and lift battery out of laptop. Then unscrew and remove access door. Next, separate and remove memory. Now unplug antenna cables. Then unscrew and remove wireless card. Next, unplug hard drive cable. Now unscrew and remove hard drive. Now unplug speaker cables. Now unscrew bottom base. Next, press in keyboard latches and loosen keyboard. Then unplug and remove keyboard. Now unplug power button and touchpad cables. Next, unscrew and remove palmrest. Then loosen the display cable tape. Now unplug the display cable. Next, unplug USB circuit board cable. Then unplug DC jack cable. Now unscrew and remove motherboard. Now remove CMOS. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.